about safety. Safety is very important to me, and it should be important to you. It's easy to run a safety check every time you go into your studio or workshop. You need to remember three things: the environment, the project, and yourself. So with the environment, think about your lighting. Is it adequate? Think about the clutter. Are there things on the bench to fall off? Are there wires to trip over? Check that environment for being safe, and have a first aid kit to hand. Remember that you might need to get access to the first aid kit with one hand because you're working with the other. So, good first aid kit. The second thing after the environment is the project itself. This needs to be held securely. Your tools need to be sharp, because dull tools are particularly dangerous, and you need to hold them and manipulate the tools safely and correctly. So after the environment and the project, think about yourself. Are you fit to carve? If you're angry, if you're overtired, if you've been drinking, if you have low blood sugar, anything like that, you really don't want to carve. Leave it till another day. Bring to your carving a calm mindfulness so you can really enjoy it safely.